In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate make.com API key. If you're looking to connect external tools to make or automate tasks with the Make API, you'll need a secure token, sometimes called a personal access token. I'll walk you through where to find it, how to create it safely, and what choices to make so your integrations stay secure and easy to manage. Start by opening make.com in your browser and signing into your account. Once your dashboard loads, look to the top right corner and click your profile avatar or initials. From the drop-down, choose Profile to open your account settings. On the settings page, find and open the section labeled API Access. This is where all of your tokens live, and it's the control center for creating, reviewing, and revoking access. Click Add Token to start creating a new one. You'll be asked to select scopes. Scopes define exactly what the token can do, so they're critical for security. Choose only the permissions your integration truly needs, following the principle of least privilege. If you're unsure which scopes are required, check the documentation of the tool you're connecting or the specific API endpoints you plan to use and match those requirements carefully. Next, enter a label. Use a clear descriptive name that tells you where this token will be used, such as the integration or project name, and consider adding the environment like production or staging. Descriptive labels make it much easier to audit and clean up old tokens later, especially when multiple people or projects are involved. When everything looks good, click Add. Make.com will generate the token. Most platforms only display tokens once, so be ready to store it immediately in a secure place, like a password manager or a secrets vault. Avoid sharing tokens in chats, documents, or code repositories. If you think a token has been exposed or shared by mistake, return to the same API access page to revoke it and create a new one. A few best practices will save you headaches later. Create separate tokens for different tools or environments so you can revoke one without interrupting others. Periodically review the list under API access and remove anything you no longer use. And when you build automations, load tokens from environment variables or a secret manager rather than hard coding them into scripts. That's it. You've opened make.com, navigated to your profile, gone to API access, added a token, selected the right scopes, and labeled it clearly. With your token securely stored, you're ready to connect Make's API to your workflows with confidence.